everybody to the Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Pack a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass hemp be. The state where you never find a dance floor empty and pimp speed. On a mission for them greens. Lean, mean, money making machines serving fiends. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon. Now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining, looking like a Rob Liberace. It's all good from Diego to the Bay. Your city is the bomb if your city making pay. Throw up a finger if you feel the same way. Straight putting it down for California, yeah.
California, knows how to party, knows how to party. California,
West Coast
knows how to party. Yes, they do.
That's right.
The city of buildings, city of land, the city of good old ones, yeah, the city of Compton. Keep it rockin', keep it rockin'.
Now make it shake, come on.
Shake it, baby. Shake it, baby. Shake it, mama. Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, baby.
That's right.
Shake it, mama. Shake it, Cali.
Out on bail, fresh out of jail, California dreaming. Soon as I step on the scene, I'm hearing hoochie screaming, fiending for money and alcohol. The life of a West Side player with cowards die and a strong ball. Only in Cali will we riot, not rally to live and die. In LA we wear chucks, not valleys.
Yeah, that's right.
Dressed in lokes and khaki suits and ride is what we do. Flossing but have caution, we collide with other crews famous because we throw drams. Worldwide, let them recognize from Long Beach to Rosecrans. Bumping and grinding like a slow jam. It's West Side, so you know the road will bow down to no man. Say what you say, but give me that bomb beat from Dre. Let me serenade the streets of LA. From Oakland to Sacktown, the Bay Area and back down. Cali is where they put they Mac down. Give me love.
California knows how to party, really knows how to. California knows how to party. Come on, baby, in the city
South Central.
of building, in the city of good old ones,
That's right.
in the city of Compton. We keep it rockin', we keep it rockin'.
Yeah, now make it shake.
Come on, shake it, baby. Shake it. Shake it, mama. Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, baby.
Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, mama.
West Coast.
Shake it, Cali.
Yeah. Long Beach in the house. Yeah. Oaktown. Oakland definitely in the house. Frisco. Yeah. Frisco.
And you know LA up in this.
Pasadena. Where you at? Yeah. Inglewood. Inglewood always up to no good.
Even Hollywood trying to get a piece, baby.
Sacramento. Sacramento, where you at? Yeah.
Throw it up, y'all. Throw it up. Throw it up. I can't see ya. Let's show these fools how we do it on this West Side. Cause you and I know it's the best side.
Yeah. That's right. West Coast. West Coast. California love. California love. Yeah.
California knows how to party, knows how to party.
Yeah.
California knows how to party.
Where they at?
In the city of building,
South Central.
in the city of good old ones.
Yeah. Yeah.
In the city of Compton, the city of Compton, rockin', we keep 'em rockin'. Just come on, shake it, baby, 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 shake it, mama, shake it, mama, shake it, mama, shake it. an earthquake on the Richter scale. Mama, 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 city of Compton, city of Compton, where the girls shake their booty. Shake it, mama, shake it, baby, shake, shake it, baby, shake, shake it. Computer, pewter, 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 pewter.
Dribble.
Since the day I got the chance to make a change, I've been in this game, it's a new day, and I'm making it known, cause I just want the world to know I'm paying my dues, and I got the utmost. I just wanna let you know I'm paying homage, cause you paved the way for me, yeah, yeah.
I swear to God, it feel like every day is my birthday. Let the top down, California's my birthplace. So I'ma take you there like Big took niggas to New York. Juicy had us feeling like we was from New York, and that's real shit. Blaze the Philly, it's summertime, shout out to Will Smith, cause who didn't want to be the Fresh Prince? Flat top, gold chain, and some fresh kicks. My nigga Nas told me money make the world go round, and Uncle Luke showed me how to make my girl go down. I've been around hip-hop since 85. She had her ups and downs, but she stayed alive. I used to think LL stood for Love LA. He from Queens, how the fuck he put that with Cool J? Red Kango hat, red sweatsuit to match, red Adidas, nigga game is back.
Since the day I got the chance to make a change, I've been in this game, it's a new day, and I'm making it known, cause I just want the world to know I'm paying my dues, and I got the utmost. I just wanna let you know I'm paying homage, cause you paved the way for me, yeah.
Public Enemy and NWA, it's all my boombox had to say. Today was a good day, had the hood bustin'. Ice Cube my favorite rapper, y'all niggas can't tell me nothing. Everybody first bootleg was Boys in the Hood. Whoever thought gangsta rap would make noise in the hood? When the cars ride by with the booming system, two-door Mustang and the roof was missing. Every girl at your school had the new extensions. Even gangsters was dancing like New Edition, cause the house party stayed rockin' all night. Niggas came through and shot it up, but it was alright, cause after the cops left, it was a party then. You down with OPP? They bring Naughty in. They say it never rained in Southern California. Tony lie. Sit back, watch game, throw his money in the sky.
Ever since the day I got the chance to make a change, I've been in this game, it's a new day, and I'm making it known, cause I just want the world to know I'm paying my dues, and I got the utmost. I just wanna let you know I'm paying homage, cause you paved the way for me, yeah, yeah.
Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money in the back. I'm relaxed with all the honeys. DJ, bring it back, let it go. Mix it in with Black Rob, make them say whoa. Everything full circle, game living major. Girls on my hip like a SkyTel pager. Now I'm on the top, let the champagne pop. Throw your hands in the sky, cause the game don't stop. Just a little more change, got a Benz in the range. Every rap metaphor always ends in my name. The cool hurts, DJ red alerts. Before I was born, they was talking about the game. Ask a Jay-Z fan about Big Daddy Kane. Don't know him, game gon' show him just like they showed me. My lyrics is OG, when it's all said and done, you niggas gon' quote me.
Ever since the day I got the chance to make a change, I've been in this game, it's a new day, and I'm making it known, cause I just want the world to know I'm paying my dues, and I got the utmost. I just wanna let you know I'm paying homage, cause you paved the way for me, yeah, yeah. Sing Mary J, I want you to understand, you paved the way for me. I'm giving homage to you.
fairy tale. She issued the facts. Not Jeezy, but I sold my fair issue of crack. Not Weezy, but Malone got that hustlers music, and them hustlers use it. Serve customers to it. Went from 2 to 300, got the Mexicans down. 100 Crip, 100 Blood, 100 Mexicans now. 100 round in the clip. Man, who wanna get done with the new West Preds on these 8-town drums? With the new West Preds, daddy calling to play. And we sacking whack rappers, niggas call it a day. Down south, call them choppers, home call it a K. Either way, ambulances come and haul them away. It's Blue Division, bitch, I'm the soul of the crew. Honey girls on my